We actually started monitoring deer in the area before the bow management program started. At that time, there was almost 150 deer per square mile. Now, to put that in perspective, that's about 15 times what we would want to see.
We've done a complete study for the New Jersey Farm Bureau a couple of years ago, surveying many of the counties around the state, and unfortunately finding way too many deer, upwards to over 400 deer per square mile up in Warren County, 200 deer per square mile down in Burlington County. Somerset County had close to 200 deer per square mile in some areas. We put two cameras side by side on the drone, a regular camera, mapping camera, and then a thermal camera, infrared. And we couldn't really see much with the regular camera, but the infrared worked really well, and we could see a lot of deer munching on that corn.
We're looking for heat signatures, and heat signatures with a thermal infrared camera from a drone allows us to see the difference in the heat of a deer versus the objects around it or the ground. So we can easily see the deer through the woods because the leaves are off the trees, out in the fields, and unfortunately in the crops.
We've been able to see the numbers coming down, and that's good. I think we started around 150 deer per square mile, and it's close to 60 deer per square mile now. And so that's quite a drop, and that's due to good deer management, maybe some disease, but that number is still way too high, unfortunately. The numbers are still at least 6 times higher than what we want to see.
For additional information, a code that you can scan with your phone that'll take you directly to the New Jersey Agricultural Experiment Station website. And you can always visit your local Rutgers Cooperative Extension County office.